Hello, Terry Bell here. I'm here to talk about another herb that could really benefit you. You know, you can go to a doctor, yes, but it'll fix one thing, down 10 others. It's amazing. My grandmother had a sinus. They give her a pill, took away the sinus and give her gas. Now she can smell something she never had. That's what pills do. This one is called Red Raspberry Plus. Here's what happens. Hormones. People don't even know. Well, I don't have a hormone problem. They can get depressed, bitchy, crabby, cramps during a period, headaches. They have wicked tempers, and they break out in a sweat, and they want to fight, punch, or like they're out of estrogen. Thank God there's no guns up here. This product right here, and it's amazing. You give that to your girlfriend, she calms right down. Their period's too heavy. Some people have the heavy period, they can't stop it. Light, wicked cramps so bad it destroys their life. Okay, that's one of the products right there that we take, Red Raspberry. So your girlfriend's not in the mood? Hello? This one is called Red Raspberry Plus. This one is Red Raspberry Aid. This one produces estrogen, this one doesn't. And why we have to do that? This is what a girl would take if she was pregnant. Okay? They need Red Raspberry Aid. It doesn't produce estrogen. And it's for ladies with hot flashes and problems with their hormones and periods. Okay? And as a woman goes by her change of life, well, they lose the urge to merge. Do you know what I mean? You get home, daddy's home, so what? Doesn't mean nothing, okay? They lose their sex drive, and a woman the other day told me that for 5 years, there was nothing. There was nothing with her and her husband. She took this, and her husband took masculine. They can't believe the enjoyable sex life they have now. See, I was brought up Mennonite, if you mention sex, sex is dirty. Until my brother mentioned it's only dirty if you haven't washed the night before. But in fact, sex, look it up in the Bible, was meant to be between two people. And if you're not having sex, you're not having much. Thank you very much.